Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see what is ad hoc testing. So let's see what it is. So basically ad hoc testing is a commonly used term for software testing performed without planning and documentation, but can be applied to early scientific experimental studies. So basically ad hoc testing is also known as random testing or monkey testing. In ad hoc testing, the tests are intended to be run only once, unless a defect is discovered. Ad hoc testing is the least formal test method. As such, it has been criticized because it is not structured. Hence, defects found using this method may be harder to reproduce, since there are no written test cases. So, when we are doing any random testing or what we say ad hoc testing, we are not having any proper plan, any test cases, or any document to follow in order to have a strategized testing. So it is not very easy to reproduce that bug if we are finding it in ad hoc testing. However, the strength of ad hoc testing is that important defects can be found quickly. But the fact is, once we are testing the application using ad hoc method, we are able to find the bugs much more quickly, and also most of the time the major bugs which are found, it can be reproduced easily. It is performed by improvisation. The tester seeks to find bugs by any means that seem appropriate. Ad hoc testing can be seen as a light version of error guessing, which itself is a light version of exploratory testing. So basically, when we are doing ad hoc testing, though we don't have proper documentation and these kind of things, but we are trying to use our logical skills in order to find the bugs, maybe from our past experience or maybe from guessing that okay, this issue is critical issue, maybe we will be able to find more issue in this particular place. So that's why ad hoc testing is preferred for getting important defects quickly, finding important defects quickly. We need to remember 3 points. For ad hoc testing, we don't need any documentation. No test design is needed for ad hoc testing or random testing or monkey testing, and no test cases are also required for ad hoc testing. So we can sometime write the bug which has been found during ad hoc testing. We will try to reproduce that bug, and then we are going to report that bug during ad hoc testing. So it's not like if we are able to find the bug in ad hoc testing and we are not able to, if we are not able to reproduce that bug, then it's of no use. So basically, if you are finding any crash or something like that in ad hoc testing, you are going to see the crash logs and you will try to identify why the issue is coming, and then the developer will try to fix that issue. I hope you liked my video. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.